So what you been up to?
So be what?
So like what you been up to?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Uh, oh.
Like what you been doing?
Slow?
Like what you been doing?
You speak slow.
Oh, slow.
Yeah.
What you been doing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I may been doing.
Oh.
I may been doing. You been doing?
Yeah. I've been chilling.
Yeah. Janeiro, February. Okay.
Yeah. So like what's your favorite color?
What?
What's your favorite color?
Yeah, my favorite color.
Oh.
Next tomorrow.
Oh.
Next tomorrow.
Tomorrow? What kind of color that is?
In December.
Oh.
December, yeah. You tomorrow?
Yeah. You know, tomorrow. Do you want to like shop tomorrow for like clothes?
Yeah.
Oh.
You little donkey.
Huh?
Little donkey.
You the donkey?
Little donkey.
Who?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Donkey?
Yeah. Little donkey.
You mean I'm a donkey?